We've got a big week on tap. Let's start with Cisco, who reports earnings before the bell tomorrow. We're going to speak with the CFO, Scott Herren. That's going to be in the morning. Looking forward to that conversation here on Yahoo Finance. And for Cisco, I think among the client base and the portfolio clients that they've already been able to tout to the street, it's just a question, how do you continue to sell into that portfolio of clients, especially at a time where a lot of corporations are looking across their costs, even for the applications and the different technology that they have?
The scissors.
Just doing that.
Doing a little trimmy trim.
Yeah. Pretty good. I just realized I'm drinking out of your mug, Julie.
I saw you looking down at the mug. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Well, keep it moving. All right. Plus, Dave Briggs and Shauna Smith will get a pulse check on cybersecurity with Okta CEO Todd McKinnon at 3 p.m. today. Also, interesting here with Okta, they've had some challenges the past 2 or 3 quarters with their sales force. They've had some executives leave here. I'm very interested to see how they're doing.
Yeah, you said especially in light of the Akamai disappointment this morning. It should be interesting to see how Okta does. We also, by the way, have Paramount earnings on tap before the bell tomorrow as the streaming wars heat up. This on the back of news that Berkshire Hathaway took a stake in that company. So that is quite interesting. And also related to Paramount on the 3 to 5 today, we're going to be hearing from James Stewart, who wrote a new book about Sumner Redstone and the dynasty at the head of Viacom, CBS, etc.
Great book. Looks like a great book.
It's getting a lot of buzz, so it should be really interesting to hear what he says and the conversation about that. For those of you who are not familiar with Sumner Redstone, media mogul, really, who built that company. Fascinating family.
Fun little fact, he also used to be the majority shareholder in Midway Games, which made NBA Jams. I used to cover Midway as an analyst, so it was always fun to follow their earnings calls, and just a little fun fact news you can use.
Yeah, man, I had to give up the sticks too many times on NBA Jams.
Best game.
One more thing, the people are not going to want to miss. Agent Cody Banks himself, Frankie Muniz, will join Rochelle Akufo in the next hour. Wow. He is joining from a racetrack, I am told. And that should be a fun conversation. Before we leave you, a quick check on what's going on with the markets here. We are seeing all 3 major averages in the red right now. We had that stronger than estimated retail sales number this morning, and people are now extrapolating what the Fed's going to do.